Hello.
Hello. Oh, wow, it's nice to see you again.
Yeah. And how is it going?
How have you been? I'm great. I've been great. My schedule has changed. So before I used to teach on weekends, but now I decided to teach on weekdays, 3 hours a day.
Hmm.
Wow. How about you? How have you been?
Yeah, I'm well and everything is well, but uh, some days ago I have an accident, so that's why. Yeah,
Wow.
my leg was injured. That's why I was so busy. Um, I'm not on Cambly, and now I'm available on Cambly. So could you please make me reservation for tomorrow?
Oh yeah, you can make a reservation for tomorrow. To be honest, today I'm almost fully booked, except from 9 to 10, 9:30 to 10 o'clock. But you can make a reservation for tomorrow, I
Yeah.
guess.
So what time you will be free tomorrow?
Please check my schedule from 7 to 10 as usual.
Seven to
Japanese.
7 to 10 a.m. or p.m.
I think I'm not sure in your country, but 7 to 10 p.m. in Japan.
Okay. What time in your country now? What time
It's
is it?
it's already 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock a.m.
Yeah, EM. It's evening.
p.m. 8 o'clock. Okay. And in
Japanese Standard
my
Time.
country now 5 p.m.
Oh, okay. So 3 hours.
6 and 8. 3 hours is different.
So I'm 3 hours ahead of you. So yeah, you can book me from 4 to 7
Okay.
in your country.
Okay. I will book and we talk tomorrow because you're busy now. And say
But we
one
can
thing.
we
How
can
much
actually
looking
still
I
talk. We can talk right now. I mean, for a few time, or you're going.
Okay, okay, okay. So how I looking on glass? This new look.
You actually look different. Actually, the first time I saw you, I was hesitant. If it's oh, really? Is that him? Did he change? But yeah, I noticed you have your new glasses.
Yeah.
Why? What's wrong?
No, everything's well. Just I'm trying. This glass has no power.
Oh, I see. No grade, do we say?
Yeah.
So it's only for what use? For fashion?
Yeah. No, it's not just fashion because maximum time I have to stay in front of
Ah,
screen.
busy.
Yeah,
Mm,
in front of the screen, laptop screen or television screen. So
mm,
it's gonna affect my eyes if I
mm.
continue
I
to
see.
watch this. So that's why I make a decision to I
Mm.
use glass when I stay in front of any type of skin.
That's true. That's so nice. Me too. I want to, but I'm sensitive to eyeglasses.
Hmm.
I'm not used to wearing it. But that's right because you can protect your eye vision, we say.
Yeah, but I don't feel comfortable with this glass because
Oh.
looking like gentleman.
Yeah, you look nice and you look so intelligent. I mean, you are intelligent, but it gives you more character.
No, I'm not intelligent, but
No,
looking
you
like
are.
intelligent now with glass.
It helps. No, no kidding aside. But how long have you been absent at Cambly? Because to be honest, the last time we talked was in July.
Yeah, July. Actually, I have as a Muslim, I have festival Idul Adha or Idul Fitr in the middle time, and after that, I have no minute on Cambly. Uh, that's the perfect reason I think.
Oh, I thought you've already found another tutor. I said, oh, he must have
No,
found
no,
a
no,
better teacher than
no.
I.
But I found in the meantime I saw some Cambly you yesterday, but I didn't find you.
Oh, actually, in last month, in August, I
Hmm.
went hiatus. Do you know hiatus? I went to a long break.
Okay.
because it's a summer break.
Okay. But
I want to enjoy.
in the meantime, I try to listen more English.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
So, what have you been, learning when we were not talking so far? How's your teacher good?
Not good because maximum time I need to lying on my bed uh, because my leg was injured.
Mm,
So that's why I didn't come on Cambly.
mhm,
And the other reason is I have no um, I had no minutes
mm,
on
mm,
Cambly. That's the
mm,
true reason. But the learning for when I talking any native speaker,
mhm,
that time I feel better. And when the native speaker is you,
mm,
I feel so much pleasure and
mm,
easy to talk.
mm. I see. So actually, my student is already calling me. She reserved my class today. I hope you are able to reserve my class tomorrow. Please let me know. I want to talk to you more. Okay?
Yeah, of course. Have a nice day.
You
Oh
too,
no,
please
have a
take
nice
care.
night.
Good,
Have
yeah,
a
have
nice
a great
night.
night. You have a great night too ahead. I'll talk to you soon, okay?
Yeah, good night.
Take care. See you next time.
Yeah, bye bye.